Hey, we're back with another Winter 2025 Fab Fit Fun box. It's a seasonal subscription box, and I've got my second annual. I'm Robin. Thank you for joining me and diving into these unboxing forays of fashion and lifestyle and home. So I told you last time that my last box that I opened, if I got this one in time while there's still time, to order a box and make some selections, that I'd open this up for you so we could see what the different options were. So I did. I just got this box in actually a couple days ago, and I haven't even opened it. I cut the seal and that's it. So there is still time to order a seasonal box, and there's actually some discount codes out there. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see what the extra categories are. I did in my first box that I opened just a little while ago. If you didn't see that, I'll link that for you. I did make all new selections in this box except for one. I have one repeat. So we'll be able to see what some of the new options are if you're looking to curate your own box, especially right now. There's still time, and I think, if you put in some rush shipping, you might get it before the holidays. So I cut the seal, and we're gonna open this box and dive right in. Here it is, packed up nice and neat. And I don't even remember everything that I got in here, so I just want to dive in with you, and we're gonna go through one by one. Okay, let's see. The one that I got a repeat, I'm not even sure what that was. Anyways, let's just go one by one. So I think I've just got there's 6 categories in FabFitFun, our lifestyle box. Comes quarterly. You can purchase one-off box like on a seasonal, and I think, pardon me, I don't remember the numbers exactly. I'll put it down in the description for you, but I think it's like $69.99 for one box. But there is a discount code that they have going around right now, so it would be cheaper. Or you can get an annual subscription, and that's your 4 boxes. And it comes down to approximately $60 a box. I don't remember because I did buy this on a special deal as well, so it was cheaper. So for me, this entire box was $50, and I get 4 a year. So instead, at each category, you get 6 categories, and you can completely customize, make your choices in each category. And then if you want more in each category, you can add on for a cost per category. Like, say category 1 is an extra $19 if you chose an extra item. Category 2 is about extra $17, and it goes down from there. This piece right at the top, I believe this was in category 6, and so I chose one of these. This is the Kate Spade puzzle, and I just thought, pardon the light glare on here, I just thought it was so cute, and sorry, that glare of the light, sorry. I just thought this was so cute. I would love to set it up on the table and just be able to walk by every now and then and sit down and do a few pieces and leave it out kind of for the season. I think that's great just for us or to have for a gift. So that was category 6, and this was just one of the selections. And let's see. I don't know if you remember, but my last box, I got the PJs. I should have wore them for you. I got the pajamas, and they were the green and white striped, and that was, I'm not sure what category that was, but another category they offered matching undies. So I did get some of those. I decided, so in my second box, instead of putting on all add-ons and adding up all those prices, it was cheaper for me to buy a second box, a second annual, because not only is the box cost cheaper, but I know every season I always want something additional, so it works out. I know I'm always going to be ordering extras or wanting to order extras. So for me, this made sense. It might not for everybody, but these are the panties. Let's see. I've heard they're going to run small, so I don't know. I have high hopes for them. Obviously I can't try them on, but there's two pairs. So we've got the matching stripes of the jammies and then a solid color. the green. I thought this was a 3. Yep. And then they have the white. So there's 3 pairs and they're pretty cute. So we'll try those. And then next I have this I'm really looking forward to. So this is another category and I'm glad I didn't get it as an add-on because that would, of course, increase the cost of the overall box. So I've got the Voluspa Noble Fur in Garland. It's such a pretty gift box. Look at this. And we're going to get in here and open this up. Oh, I can just smell this already. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. Oh, this is lovely. Look at this. Oh, I kind of wish I got extras of these. It's nicer than I was thinking. So that's really pretty. And it smells just like, you know, a Christmas wreath, a Christmas tree. I love it. I'm gonna get this going pretty soon. So that is lovely, and it comes in this would be a great gift box as well. Let's see, what else do we know about that? Voluspa, I think I'm saying that right. Notes of noble fir needles, cedar wood, glowing amber, and cashmere musk dance about the air, igniting the nostalgia and spirit of the holidays. Clean burning coconut wax blend, vegan, and it has an offer, it says. Oh, there's a code for 15% off. So that's cool. All right, so that's one. I really like that a lot. I'm not one to buy like expensive candles. I love candles, I love scents, but kind of frugal when it comes to candles. So this worked out well for me. See, the next category, I got, oh, okay. The coasters. I thought I got another thing of the bowls, not the coasters. Anyways. So I've got a double of the coasters. I'll have to go back and check my order. But I am really enjoying these coasters. I've had them out on my regular table and they're just so nice. They're hefty and they're beautiful. And they have the feet on the bottom and they're all different colors. So that's like the kind of tan. This is a greenish gray, and then there's like a sand. Look at that, sand color, and a creamy marbly color. And these are really nice. I do enjoy these a lot. So, I mean, I'm glad I got a second set. I kind of wished I got those bowls too, but. That's fine. And this one I'm really looking forward to. Let's see. So this, again, is why I got 2 boxes. So this is in the Roundhouse ceramic baking dish. So last season in the fall box, I got the pie plate. And I was really happy with the quality of the pie plate and the pie server. I got them in the taupe color. Because I felt the taupe would just be more long-lasting if I ever chose, you know, decided to change up my color schemes or whatever. Taupe would last longer than the cherry, but I do love that color. And then here's the baking dish. How cute. I love it. So we can bake some brownies, I can see, but I'm going to make an egg dish casserole in this, like tomorrow morning probably. I'm gonna make egg dish. I've got tons of eggs around here. My chicken are laying like crazy, so I need to use these up. So I bought some extra ingredients. I'm gonna make some egg casseroles. So we're gonna keep this in rotation along with the pie pan. And then for the last category, there was one I did not want a duplicate in, so I chose the credit. So that's another thing when you have an annual subscription. If there's a category you're not excited about, depending on what category it is, they will give a credit of a certain amount. So a certain amount that has to do with the dollar value of that category. So the one I chose was a $7 credit. So I got the $7 credit, and then on one of the sales that they had just recently, I used that credit in the sale. And I have that item coming pretty soon. I'm not sure. So this was my second box. So I've got some nice Christmassy things. Again, I have a good mix. I've got homewares. I've got, you know, nice and cozy housewares type of things. Could be any of these are great gifts. And then I got these to kind of go with my jammies. So we have these. These, I think they're going to fit okay. They might be a little bit snug, but I think, you know, with this style, you want to kind of pull them up a little bit anyway, so that you have more of your hip coming out here. So I think that will be a saving thing for that. I mean, I'm going to try to like just pull them over my jeans. And honestly, jeans are not going to be a good representation. Oh yeah, I could do this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I'm a size 4. And I'm going to see if I can put this down for you. And I'll walk back. Watch this. And this is over my jeans, okay? My jeans, which are kind of bulky. Look at. I think that's not bad. Not bad. And these are a size small, medium. And then, I mean, honestly, they're like thong undies. So of course they're going to be not that covering, right? Okay. So not bad, right? Not bad at all. All right. Thank you for joining me and sticking around for my little undie try on. So I'm happy you're here. I'm happy to share these with you. I'm going to put in a code for you. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I don't make any money. But if you choose to sign up for FabFitFun, which I've truly been enjoying, getting all these products for home and fashion and beauty. I don't do a lot of beauty because I have stuff that I already love and use a lot, but I do try some new things, especially like lipsticks or maybe some hair things. But home stuff like this, I truly am enjoying it, and extra things I can get for gifts or for myself. There's blankets that were available. I got a blanket last season the blankets are excellent. There's clothing. So it's just a really great lifestyle box to round out all your collections, your shopping, and helps me stay out of the stores and wasting hours in the stores. So I'll put a code for you down in the description, and I'll put all the details. And until the next unboxing, I will see you later. Thank you for joining me again. Take care. And I forgot to ask, if you'd like to see more of these, please subscribe, hit like, and subscribe. It will really help me do more of these for you. I don't make any money on this at all yet. I just really enjoy doing these and learning along with you and discovering new things. So if you hit subscribe, though, it will definitely help me to keep going and hit more goals and get more boxes and unboxings and more lifestyle, more fashion, and everything of the sort. Okay, thank you and take care.